Yeah, you are welcome to this channel. We just decided to record this quick video to clear the air concerning this lead lightning power lead system. Now, basically, the power lead system is actually an upgraded version of the lead lightning. Now, what is this whole system about? In fact, it's an application that I love. I love this system. Trust me, I love this system. I don't care what other people are saying. I don't care what other people are using. This system is the best as far as I am concerned, because I have used other marketing tools which did not actually help me so much. Yeah, I mean, they are just a bunch. So now this application or this system is a complete online marketing system that is newbie friendly. You don't need to be a tech guru. You don't need to be a tech guru. Just from once you know how to use the computer, it's enough for you to use this system. So basically, what does it do? You can collect your emails. You can build your email list on autopilot with this system, and the funnels, everything is done for you. Everything is done for you. So you just need to select the landing page you want, and you are good to go. So you see, you have your lead capture page that is there for you, and you can choose the one you want. There are several options for you to choose, so you just choose the one you want depending on what you want to promote. Then you have the sales page, which is also done for you. It could either be a video or text, so you just choose the one you want, and you can link your video to it. And then you have your buy button where the purchase is done, and then you make money. Now let me say that with this system you can promote your affiliate link with it, or you can promote the lead lightning system with it. So what I'm simply trying to say is that if you already have a business, maybe you are an affiliate, you are into affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or whatever, you can promote your business as well as promote the system. But if you don't have a business, you are just starting, then you can promote this system alone and you still make money. So like I told you earlier, you can create multiple funnels at the same time. You can create multiple funnels at the same time, and you can track your leads, you can group them, you can do a lot of analysis with your leads. And there is quality traffic, a lot of trainings on how to generate quality traffic for your business. And you see, if you are on YouTube or Facebook, you realize that there are a lot of people who will promise you 1 million traffic to your website. Sending 1 million traffic to your website at a cost of $5. Some of these things, let's face it, it's just nonsense. It's just nonsense. You get a lot of traffic that will never convert. So apart from that, what do you get? There are a lot of weekly hangouts, Google Hangouts, trainings, and all that. And all this is integrated in one house for you. So there is so much value in the system. There is so much value in this. Now, what does it do? It brings you residual income. It brings you residual income. Whether you are promoting the system, the lead lightning or power lead system, or you are promoting your own affiliate link, you still make money with this. And remember, all the leads you are generating with this system are for you. They are all yours. They are all yours. So you can send, do your email campaign, email marketing to these people later on, anytime you want. So there is so much value for anybody who wants to use this system. Now, who are the people who can actually use this system? Like I said earlier, affiliate marketing, very excellent. You can use this system. Just put your link. There's a place created where you can, just put your link. And the good thing is that whilst you are sending out your link to the landing page provided for you by this system, you can equally promote the lead lighting system with the same link, with your affiliate link. Can you imagine this? So you are promoting your affiliate link as well as this, and then you are making money on both. If they opt in, you are making $6. Any opt-in, you are making $6. So if you are into e-commerce, dropshipping, you can equally use this system and make, build your email list. Remember the saying, the money is in the list. So if you ain't got a list, then you are not in business. Then we have MLM, network marketing. These days there are so many network marketing companies, so you can equally use this to build your list. You can build your prospect list. I'm actually into network marketing, I'm into affiliate marketing, I'm into dropshipping. Then work from home. It doesn't matter whether you have a website. If you don't have a website, no problem. You will still make money with this system. You will still make money with this system. Just promote it. There are very cheap ways you can promote it for free. You can promote this system for free and you make residual income. You can imagine $6 dropping into your wallet each and every time, every 1 hour, $6 coming into your wallet. I woke up this morning and I saw $60. So $60, which means that at least about 10 people, when I checked, 10 people opted in and they purchased the system. So I made some money. So newbies, gurus, everybody can use this system. You can use this system and you can make money. It doesn't matter your level of experience, you can use it. If you're on a tight budget, the whole system is just $7. $7. So if you're on a tight budget and it's one-time purchase, can you imagine the $7 and you have all these for you? You have your landing page, you have your lead capture page, sales funnels are all done for you. You have your marketing tools, everything is done for you. Traffic, you are guaranteed of quality traffic, where to get it, trainings, weekly trainings and all that. How I learned how to make landing pages from this system. You also learn how to promote your business on Facebook, YouTube and other social media. Can you imagine all this? All this for just $7. $7. So you earn passive income on autopilot. You earn passive income on autopilot. So who doesn't want this? Why wouldn't you want to hook on to this system? And with all this, you can decide to be a free member for life. Just be using the system for free for life. But my question is, why will you want to be a free member? Why wouldn't you want to make money? Who doesn't want to make money? Look, everybody needs money, so you equally have to get on board. Just upgrade $7 and you are making money. So guys, that is it. I believe I have cleared some doubts. If this video brought some value to you, just give us thumbs up subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you more videos, more value, and leave your comment below. I'll also leave a link below so that you can get this system and use it for free to build your email list. Alright, so until then, I'm out for now.